Hello guys, let us see how Nifty Bank behaved today. It opened well and immediately made a low, then recovered well, all in first 5 minutes. Then another big green candle. It went above 35,600. Then small consolidation. See, made morning highs here. Around 35,700. Then a small sell-off, sideways consolidation. Then again another sell-off. It looked like it is falling down. Then very quick recovery, quick swift recovery. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Next half an hour. Then typical sideways sidebars. One green, red, green, red, green. Okay, typical sideways consolidation. Then it again went up. Then some sideways consolidation. Made high more than the morning high, then some sell off, then again it took off sideways. See, you can see like the green candles and red candle here around 230 240. There is it's a scare to the bull and a bit of hope to the bear, but eventually it recovered, made a new high in the last 10 minutes. Okay, 3:25, you can see the time, and the high is 35,795, which is like a double top compared to yesterday's close, yesterday's high also, which is slightly above 35,800. I think it was 35,807 if I remember right, and closed very close to the day's high at 35,771. Okay. So if you notice in the past couple of days, day's high is always in the first few minutes, like in first 5 minutes, and the close is happening towards the like in the last half an hour or towards the end. Okay, so all in all, in spite of all the volatility, you can see how bullish the Nifty Bank is behaving. Okay, but there are sharp drops, then sharp upside, keeping both bulls and bears tentative. But on the whole, if you see for the past 3 days, Monday, Tuesday and today, Nifty Bank is bullish. And you remember yesterday we discussed 34,800 previous month resistance, and yesterday also it made that high, today also it made that high. Only thing, it hasn't retraced much from the high, which means it is very close to 34,800 and only 30 points. Okay, if there is a small gap up, it doesn't even look like a gap up, like 30-50 points in Nifty Bank is literally nothing, no big deal. So if it moves above 35,800, and then we should see how it goes from there. Obviously some short covering will happen. Then what sort of short covering happen? Like it's a heavy short covering. The lot of points will be made beyond 35,800 and beyond 36,000. We should see. Okay, but overall the sentiment is bullish. Okay, you'll see the day chart, so you will understand clearly at the higher time frame also. Okay, see, past 4 days, as I said, like today is Wednesday, third candle, starting with the small candle on Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and today Wednesday, all 5 candles, all 4 candles or green candles. Then I remember I drew this line yesterday at 35,800, and today's high is also very close to that, and it closed very close to the high, which means there is a good chance of it breaking out from here, and we should see how it behaves. Like it can go to 36,000 and beyond, or it may hover around 35,800 and 36,000. One noticeable thing is it is moving even in volatile movements, but surely it is moving up. Okay, so it would be better not to have any shorts. Okay, buy on dip, or you may even buy the breakout because it is bullish, but advisable is to buy in the dip and not to have any shorts, and see how it plays out once it moves above 35,800. Okay, I haven't updated, but you can easily see, like see, actually I'll show you the new support. You can take it as like 35,300, though it is showing here as a resistance. Ignore that. Take 35,800, which is very close by, as the resistance, and further resistance would be, I think, around 35,950, 36,000, because that 150-200 range is not much for the Nifty Bank, especially when it is moving. It's like a 0.5%. Okay, I'll just go back to 5-minute chart. I'll show you. Like, okay, see, if you see at a closely at the shorter time frame, like 5 minutes, once it moved up, Nifty Bank, whenever it retraced, it took support along 35,650. See here again, and around 240. Once it moved up, whenever it retraced, that 35,650 acted as good support. So even if it retraces tomorrow from today's close, it may act as good support, and it may go above 35,800 also. Tomorrow is a weekly expiry. That is another thing that can keep that can keep things very volatile and exciting. And for bulls, it may be a good day as the way things look, but like you can't predict. But on the way, the slant is towards bullish side, so no shorts. Okay, at least tomorrow, no shorts, and see how it plays out. Have a good expiry, have a safe expiry, profitable expiry, and we'll talk about tomorrow's trade after market hours as usual. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your attention.